What is up, everybody? Let me tell you, it is tough to believe that it has already been 1 year since I filmed my first vlog because of a trip that me and Tom took to New Hampshire because of...
New York City, now the nation's epicenter. Long lines at hospitals, makeshift morgues being arranged. U.S. cases surging to over 60,000. The new hotspots cropping up.
Now, I had already been thinking about starting a vlog because I was watching a lot of Casey Neistat, Dan Mace, Mr. Beast, just getting a lot of inspiration from them. So I was like, hey, I got an iPhone. That's how Mr. Beast started. So let's just take my iPhone out and see what happens. And that one thought turned into a YouTube channel, 26 vlogs, and a few trips that, while we still had to be careful, we decided to go on and had an amazing time. And for the 1 year anniversary vlog, I was thinking, let's just go through this last year and look at all the best moments, the best places, the best one-liners, the best food, waterfalls, and I even got some outtakes that I either couldn't use in the vlogs or just nothing pieced well together, so I ended up not using the vlog at all. So, let's go through it. Here is the past year.
I got the bananas.
You ready to do this?
Yes.
A trip to Maine would just not be complete without standstill traffic on 495. I've been screaming Helen's name looking for her.
Helen!
Helen?
Helen, where are you?
Helen!
Helen!
Helen? Where's my pies? Hello, Mark Davis.
Sam.
Your entire phone is wrecked.
Hello, Blair Witch House. Goodbye, Blair Witch House. Alright, so it is day... We're going home. So where's this engineering marvel at?
Oh, you'll know. It's gonna probably scare the shit out of you. Damn it!
Damn it, Brian! Thunderstorms, really? What?
It's cold!
Did somebody say switchbacks? Caffeine withdrawals are a real thing, folks. We're reviewing our food.
It's no Wegmans.
Wegmans?
No one told me that we needed a pass, by the way.
I'm getting a corn dog.
That's literally... Don't leave me in the car with him.
That's all right.
Are we buying the essentials for camping?
Yeah, just pillow.
Yeah. Hey, hey, hey.
We gotta make elk noises. That's our school call. Yeah. If the magic dragon's better than you, magic. What did you say?
Oh, got Eco Boost.
We got the boost! We made it with bear spray.
You got.
My God, it looks like the bathroom after Jake ate that burrito.
Is pizza a type of toast? Let you think about that for a second.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight.
Mark trails.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a fall angel just walked by. 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 There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight.
I have a nice 501 yard par 5. And we set up for the tee shot.
Phone call.
That's so cool how deep it goes.
Okay.
Okay. This is the rental.
Okay.
This is the rental.
Holy sh**. Oh.
Yo.
Guys. Close the door. Oh my god. You can't get much closer than that. Brian, how do you get out of the car? Holy shoot. That's crazy.
There it is. Grand Prismatic.
You guys coming up or no? Yeah. Oh, he's doing a panorama. Don't.
Run, Forrest, run!
Gotta run faster than that.
What?
Here, I got a trash bag if you want to put that cold.
So how's the race going?
I think I'm winning. I don't know if anyone else is in this, but
You're either first or last because there's nobody else out here.
not yet.
Not today. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's unlocked. Now. I unlocked it for you. Go ahead. Hop in. Thanks, Brian. You're welcome. Fight.
Look at all those chickens.
Tonight on WWE SmackDown Raw, Buffalo v. Buffalo.
Oh, they're done.
Okay. Bless you. Alright, I think we are... Whoa.
Oh my god. That is a big chungus. Are you inspired?
Lake.
Yep. It's snowing. September 8th, 2020. What the hell? So nice.
Balsam fir. Gotta love it. We're at Glacier National Park, third national park of the trip. We're here for about 4 hours. Yes, we're going to try to see everything we can in 4 hours. We're at Lake McDonald right now in Glacier. Pretty nice. And I think I'm going to take a nap right here. Thank you everybody for watching. I am amazed that we managed to do as much as we did last year, and I cannot wait for this next year to come. So until the next vlog, remember, be kind, be safe, go everywhere, see everything. I'll see you.